Hey, this is Neil from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Something different for you today. I recently interviewed Jack from the platform, the money-raising platform Equitise, about how they're going to help us create a brand new crowdsourced business here in Australia. If you'd like to find out more about what we're doing with the crowdsourced business, there's a link just below for that. You can find out more about what we're doing, and if you're interested in investing, you're welcome to register your interest also via that link as well. So this video is me asking Jack a question all about the relationship between Equitise and how they're able to help Aussies just like you and me invest in these groundbreaking businesses. So let's get into it. Why do we need Equitise? Why do we need Equitise? What is it about the landscape in Australia that precludes us just getting people to invest directly?
I think there's various ways to think about it. I think from your perspective, that is a very expensive and a lot of paperwork involved. You know, you'd have to get lawyers, diligence each and every investor. Our role is, as I said, intermediary. We've got a very easy to use, user-friendly platform where you sign an investor agreement that's built on the platform. So it's a lot easier for you guys. I think, secondly, from a sort of regulation perspective, in Australia, you have a limit of 50 shareholders. If you exceed 50 shareholders, you have to change your reporting requirements. Crowdfunding is pretty unique in Australia because crowd investors, although it's a direct shareholding, you get all the same rights as any other shareholder. It doesn't count towards that 50 shareholder limit. So it's very beneficial for you. Obviously, for the investor, it's a very easy to use platform, very accessible, starts from $250. I think having nearly 1,000 people sign up kind of validates the idea as well. So you've got it sort of, even at pre-revenue, we're pretty confident this will be a success because you've got that attention already.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's over 2,500 of us here in Australia from all different walks of life with sales on Amazon of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and see how we can help you, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and you'll find out just how much we can help you grow your Amazon business. Till then, see you on the inside. Bye.